it's Ali here from SimplyAngelicCrafts, and this is take 2 for this video because I've actually just filmed it with my new camera and microphone, but they both have to be pressed record, and because I'm used to only clicking on one to record, I didn't actually record the video, so I've now got a completed card to show you, but I will get better with this new equipment, but we'll see. So I'm going to show you what I've just done. So I'm using beautiful papers from Annie at Crafty Lane, and that's www.craftylane.co.uk, and if you pop on her website, click on Annie's papers, and he'll take you through all the different papers that she has created. She's got some lovely vintage ephemera kits as well, and she's got all sorts of other things in her shop. So go and make a brew, hop on and have a good look round her shop, and I can guarantee that you will come away with a few bits and pieces. So what I've got to show you is the completed card that I've just spent 15 minutes doing, that I could have shown you how I put it together, but I'm just going to give you a look around the card instead. So what I started off with was a 10cm by 16cm base card, so it's not a huge card, and then I basically cut the black mat and 2 panels off the DL music collection, and just cut them down a little bit rather than doing them into a DL card, which you can do. They're made to make cards with straight away. You don't have to mess about. The card's basically ready made there for you. But what I've done is I've just cut them down a little bit so that I get this lovely little 10 by 16 card. I've cut out the elements, so you get floral elements, a violin. This sentiment's actually from my stash, and obviously the trim is from my stash as well. So what I've done is I've cut the card and the base black mat down. The 2 mats from the papers I've cut down. Now the back one I've cut down and distressed. I've distressed both of them with a distress tool. This one I've edged with a vintage photo distress oxide. This one I have gone for like a pink, because there's pinks in the flower, so I just wanted to draw that colour into the project. So I've gone around that with picked raspberry distress oxide, so just sort of edged that. I've also gone in with a little bit of stenciling, just a really subtle little bit of stenciling, just to put a little bit more in the background, which you can do, and some gems there from my stash as well. And I've just built it up into this little corner orientation. I'm kind of like really loving the Shabby Chic cards that are around at the moment. I've even got it where it does open from left to right, sorry, right to left. Usually I have cards and they open that way by the time I've finished. Or I end up doing something upside down. So this is not bad. Even though I didn't click the video to record, the card came out as I intended it. So that's really good. So that is just a quick one for today. So as I said, just go make yourself a brew, because you're going to be on Annie's site for at least half an hour just having a look at the lovely things that she has on offer. It's www.craftylane.co.uk. And there we have that for a lovely morning of crafting. If you haven't already, I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit that bell as well if you want to be notified when I'm going to be coming on to do a video. Thanks for spending time with me today, and I'll see you again in another video. Thanks so much. Bye.